Here we are at the Army finals again today. We've got a good crowd in. Do you think Mummy Pig will be safe sitting there? I think Mummy Pig should be safe. Captain America's here to watch. Whoa, Captain America. Oh, he flew over there. We've got Tom Thomas in the chopper in case we need to evacuate. In case of a fire, we've got Fireman Sam. Okay, TJ. Let the games begin. Oh, Superman goes in, takes out 4. You better reverse back. Your turn, TJ. What can the zombie do? Oh, the zombie's he's sacrificed his own men to knock down 4 of mine. Here comes Superman, straight back at you.
I got me.
Here he comes. Oh, Superman. Oh, Superman's been betrayed and he's taken out his own men. Here he comes.
Oh, he got me. I didn't do it to body that. You know.
Oh, look out, Mummy Pig. The cars are going everywhere. Oh, look out.
Oh, Mummy Pig. Oh, there's one more down in that for me, Dad.
Is that good fun?
There's one more down in that for you.
Oh, there's one more standing up for me.
Yeah.
Oh, Superman would have another go. Come on, Superman.
Let's do that. Let's do.
It's 2 up. Alright, here we go. Here comes Superman. Oh, he's taken out 1 and himself at the same time.
There's one more.
Oh dear.
One more now.
Here comes Tom Thomas.
Tom Thomas is staying pick up all them.
Tom Thomas, is there any still alive?
No.
Oh, well, there's no good me here then. Bye.
There's one more days.
Here comes the tractor. Just bulldoze them all up. Bulldoze them all up.
Comes down and this one's down. I don't do them. I don't do them.
Oh, and here comes TJ taking out the rest of the army men.
I